Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how to fix the error that our control does not serve in the game Beast of Reincarnation. This solution is for Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch controls, and also generic controls. So let's get started. We go to Steam, where we have our game, and we right-click on IEM properties. Now we go to where it says Controller, we click, and this menu will appear. Now we are going to give it where it says Use Default Configuration. We click, and we enable Steam Input. We activate the Steam input. Now, we try if our control no longer works. If it does not work, we go back to lower the carousel. And we click where it says Disable Steam Input. We click there, and we try again. If that way does not work, then we go to the top left. In Steam we click, and we click on Configuration. Now we go to where it says Controller, we click, and we click where it says Show Advanced Settings, we click, and the menu of all the controls will appear. So, if our control is Xbox, we activate this from here. If our control is Nintendo, we activate this from here. If our control is generic, we activate this from here. And even if we have activated the Steam input of Xbox, and it does not work, we start downloading the driver that appears here. And we can use the control of Xbox. Now finally, if our control is PlayStation, all we have to do is click, and click on Enable, we activate it. And then we can play with our control. Our game Beast of Reincarnation. Video with pleasure, greetings to all, subscribe and like if it was helpful. See you in the next video, goodbye.